Alright, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Time for a weather update. It is 2:43 p.m. on the 10th of January 2017. Taking a look at what's currently going on, we have a low pressure system now. Going to be sitting over the area of Wisconsin, rainfall in Chicago, rainfall in Ohio. Some of the stuff may be freezing. That's why there is advisories and stuff up. You can see some moisture trying to push into central Pennsylvania as frozen precipitation and snow back here in Iowa, in Minnesota, and areas such as that. As we continue on, we can see we might have an icing issue in places like Syracuse, but we get some icing along the Appalachians. That's something we have to watch out for. Some of the models actually show some icing in the Appalachians. That could be a problem. So we'll keep an eye on it, and if anything changes, let you know. As you see, it stays all rain. We then get another system try to get together for Thursday. A little bit of mixed precipitation for Chicago. Rain across the east. And then we continue along. Rain comes through again right around Friday afternoon as they try to get an ice situation start up near St. Louis. You can see this ice situation right here. That's an issue. That could be a significant icing problem. Also, take a look back in Oklahoma. That's a surprising location for ice. And this continues to try to get itself going. And look at the cold air damming situation here. This is what we got to watch out for. Sneaky ice coming down the Appalachian chain. When you have this high pressure to the north, you get the winds off the ocean. That's cold air damming up against the mountains, and then we can sometimes get cold air coming all the way down through Roanoke and the higher elevations of the Blue Ridge Parkway and get icing on it. So we have to watch that closely, and we will. Like I said, Kansas back in the ice, parts of Missouri in the ice, parts of Iowa and snow and ice. Continue this along. Ohio gets into it by Saturday. Some snow possible in Philly on not major, something small. Saturday night and Sunday. That's nice to see on a map. The people that love that. That makes precipitation possible in central Pennsylvania, and then a major looking ice storm out in Kansas as we get into Monday. And this thing pushes up into Iowa and in the northeast. Warm air intrudes the eastern United States. So that would lead to less possible snow scenario. And we get another system doing somewhat of a similar move before we start getting this pattern to change towards the end of the month, where the cold air tries to come and beat itself in to the south, all the way into Florida, the 540 line, with a low pressure trying to develop along the coast. We know, even though this is way far out, this is a setup. This is a potential setup for a system at the end of the month. So it's something we have to watch out for, because things will change. Look, you got parts of Massachusetts and snow. Even though it doesn't show anything right now, that's something that we keep an eye on, because that's a pattern issue, and that usually could lead to a storm. So we have to watch that closely. So other than the potential for a little bit of snow on Saturday evening in the Delaware Valley, expect some rain tomorrow into Thursday for the East Coast, and then some icing in the Midwest. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.